We're heading to the fruit basket of the world, Fresno, California.
There's just something about a blueberry.
So shall we pick some?
Let's do it.
We've got a pair of powerhouse women, chefs Nyesha Arrington
I really love celebrating Mother Nature. I feel like I'm a steward of the land.
and Antonia Lofaso.
To be with my friend, creating this amazing lunch. It's an honor. We love cooking for people, Nyesha and I.
And all these vineyards, they're not for wine. Can you guess what they are for?
Great vineyards can last for hundreds of years.
We're sourcing a super cool green bean from a local farm that specialises in all things Asian.
We do galanga, ginger. We really like it or we don't grow it.
And gorgeous blueberries picked only yards from our venue.
These are nice and plump. They're ready to come off in our hands.
Cheers. Of course. That's pretty amazing.
Bloody awesome.
Bloody awesome.
Bon appetit. It's a lovely summer Fresno feast. Next on a Moveable Feast with Fine Cooking Magazine. Cheers, everybody.